If you're just starting a business or if you're thinking about expanding your business, but you don't have enough capital, then business credit cards can potentially help you a lot and they should not be overlooked. I personally have used nearly 14 different business credit cards over the last 6 years to help grow my own business, Tax Alchemy, and it can be an excellent solution when you need to access more capital. Let's be honest, in today's day and age, we have to grow businesses. We have to be in control. So I'm going to break down 5 business credit cards that I personally like and have recommended to new LLC owners. I'm also going to tell you exactly what I like about each one of these credit cards and why you should consider applying for it if you need business credit in 2024. Also, just so you know, this video has not been sponsored by any of these credit card companies. I'm just giving out this free game because I like doing this as a part of my channel. All right, guys, let's dive in. All right, guys, credit card number 1, the Inc. Business Unlimited Cash Card by Chase. Here's what I like about this card. For starters, your credit score does not have to be above 700 to get it. For some other business credit cards, this is a requirement, and you can actually qualify for this card if your score is as low as 670. A lot of new entrepreneurs don't have amazing credit scores, so if you're someone who is still working on building up your personal credit, then it might be important for you to look at this credit card. Additionally, if you spend $6,000 in the first 3 months, you get a $750 cashback bonus, and this can be extremely beneficial for many business owners who are just getting started in business, who definitely know they're going to spend more than $6,000 in their first 3 months. If you already know that you will, then it would be nice to know that you'll get an automatic $750 in cash back right away. Other things that I like about the Inc. Business Unlimited Cash Card is that there is no annual fee. You also get a 1.5% cash back on every purchase that you make in your business, in addition to the $750 cash back bonus. And there's 0% APR for the first 12 months. So you can use it wisely for 12 months without racking up any interest fees. You can even go into the Chase portal and use the points on travel expenses with the Chase Unlimited Rewards program. But once the 12 months is over, the APR will jump to 18.5% all the way up to 24.5%. Number 2 on the list is also a card that is offered by Chase, is the Inc. Business Cash Credit Card by Chase. This business credit card has many of the same features that the other Inc. Business Unlimited card has. For example, the Inc. Business Cash Card also has a 0% APR for the first 12 months and 0 monthly fees. This card also lets you earn $350 when you spend $3,000 on purchases in the first 3 months, and an additional $400 when you spend $6,000 on purchases in the first 6 months after opening the account. You also get to earn 5% on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at office supply stores and on the internet, cable, and phone services each account anniversary year. Now, additionally, you can earn 2% cash back on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at gas stations and restaurants, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. Furthermore, you get a 10% business relationship bonus if you have the Inc. Business Cash Card plus a Chase business checking account on your first card anniversary. Just like with the first card I discussed, you can also redeem rewards for cashback, gifts, travel, and much more through the Chase Unlimited Rewards program. Now, the regular APR for this card is 18.49% all the way up to 24.49%. Number 3 is Capital One Spark Miles for Business. Many new business owners have to do a lot of traveling, and this is especially true for real estate investors, who my company Tax Alchemy does a lot of work with. Real estate investors are frequently traveling from state to state, scouting properties, checking in on their existing investment properties, managing their tenants, and much more. If you have a business that requires you to do a lot of traveling, then the Capital One Spark Miles for Business could be the perfect option for you and might be something you want to consider. And this is because with this credit card, you get a one-time bonus of 50,000 miles when you spend $4,500 on business purchases within the first 3 months of opening the account. Additionally, this credit card also lets you earn unlimited 2x miles per dollar on every purchase with no limits or category restrictions, and miles won't expire for the entire life of the account. You can also transfer the miles that you accumulate to over 15 travel loyalty programs. Another nice thing about this credit card is that it has no annual fee for the first year. So just keep this in mind. It is $95 per year after that. Also, with the Capital One Spark Miles for Business card, you get free employee cars, which can also earn 2x the miles from their purchases. As you can see, this card has tons of interesting benefits for travelers. The regular APR for this credit card is a little higher though, at around 26.24%. Number 4 is the American Express Blue Business Cash Card. This is another great business card that has no annual fees. It also offers 0% interest for the first 12 months. Holders of this card are able to earn 2% back on all eligible purchases up to $50,000 per calendar year. Purchases over $50,000 are eligible for 1% cash back, and cash back that you earn is automatically added to your statement. Additionally, you also get a $250 statement credit after you make $3,000 in purchases in your first 3 months. So with the card, you get a lot of cash back and it carries on even after you spend more than 50 grand. That makes this card a good option for business owners who have a lot of expenses and will be swiping the card quite often. If you fall into this category and if you're looking for a good new business credit card, then consider this option as well. The regular APR for this card is 18.49% and it goes as high as 26.49%. Number 5 is the American Express Business Gold Card. This is the last card on my list today. The American Express Business Gold Card offers 70,000 membership reward points after you spend $10,000 on eligible purchases in the Business Gold Card account within the first 3 months of the card being active. Here's what I love about this card: the travel points. You get 3x membership reward points on flights and prepaid hotels booked on the AmexTravel.com portal. Additionally, you can earn up to $20 in statement credits monthly after you use the Business Gold Card for eligible US purchases at FedEx, Grubhub, office supply stores, and much more. And this could be annual savings of up to $240. However, enrollment is required. The regular APR for this card is 19.49%, upwards to 28.49%. So there you have it. Those are my 5 picks for great business credit cards that you should strongly consider if you're someone that's new to business or if you're looking to add on some credit cards to grow your business. A word to the wise: if you have never used business credit cards before, then you're going to want to make sure that you do not commingle your business and personal expenses. Please do not be a knucklehead. If you do this, and if you have a business entity structure such as an LLC that has liability protection, you could potentially lose it if you commingle your personal and business funds. So do not swipe your business credit card when you're making personal purchases, and do not swipe your personal credit card when you're making business purchases. If you keep your business and personal credit card payments separate from each other and uphold the integrity of your LLC, that will make me happy with this video. I want to remind you guys that the Tax-Free Wealth Challenge is kicking off. It is backed by popular demand, and we are kicking off August 5th through August 9th, 2024. This is a digital event that you can attend for anyone in the world. If you want to come spend some time with me, learn some of the most powerful tax strategies in the world, where I go into depth and cover some of the most powerful information known to mankind when it comes to tax law. I cover a lot of information that I don't normally discuss on my YouTube channel in this challenge. If you want to get access to this information and learn the most game-changing tax reduction strategies that I know, then I want you to go ahead and click the link below this video. The instructions are below on how to sign up for the Tax-Free Wealth Challenge. I want you to register as a VIP. You'll get some additional benefits, some additional time to speak with me personally about your tax situation, and more importantly, guys, you're going to save some money by working with my team. Okay, that's all I got for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with one person who is looking to establish some business credit cards for their LLC, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers.